Gskyer Telescope. See the moon like never before, even if you think Saturn's a car. Ever dreamed of exploring the night sky without needing a Ph.D. in astronomy? The Gskyer Telescope, with its 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length, offers crystal-clear views of celestial bodies. Whether you're gazing at the moon, Saturn's rings, or just spying on the neighbor's suspiciously bright garden lights, this telescope delivers stunning images that rival more expensive models. It's the perfect companion for beginners and seasoned stargazers alike. What sets the Gskyer Telescope apart from others? For starters, it's designed with fully coated glass optics, ensuring every star and planet shines bright and crisp. The 3x Barlow lens triples the magnifying power, allowing you to get up close and personal with your favorite celestial objects. Plus, the 5x24 finder scope with crosshair lines makes locating those elusive constellations a breeze. You'll never mix up Ursa Major with a plane again. Traveling, no problem. This telescope was built with portability in mind. The lightweight design, coupled with a durable carry bag, makes it easy to take your stargazing adventures on the road. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or just hanging out in the backyard, the Gskyer Telescope is ready to bring the stars closer to you. And with the included wireless remote and phone adapter, capturing stunning images of the night sky has never been easier. When it comes to value, the Gskyer Telescope offers an unbeatable combination of affordability and performance. Unlike other telescopes that cost a fortune and require a degree to assemble, this one is both budget-friendly and beginner-friendly. With a simple setup process and a user-friendly design, you'll be exploring the cosmos in no time. Plus, the 2-year warranty and 24-hour technical support ensure you're never left in the dark. Quality matters, and the Gskyer Telescope doesn't disappoint. Built with high-quality materials and featuring an adjustable aluminum alloy tripod, this telescope is both sturdy and durable. It's designed to withstand the elements, making it a reliable choice for all your stargazing adventures. Compared to other models in its price range, the Gskyer Telescope offers superior optical performance and long-lasting durability, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to explore the universe.